Hello there everybody, Richard R. Blast here. Hope you're all having an awesome Sunday. Welcome to Sunday Ramblings episode number 6. Woohoo! Time flies when you're having so much fun. So what have I learned this week? Well, I watched a interesting... look at the toothpaste. Ooh. Sorry about that. Let's just carry on. Yesterday I was watching another interesting two-part podcast from the E5 group talking about Compex and how complex it actually is and how expensive it is to work in a hazardous area like a petrol station. That was a real eye-opener, saying that you just can't go into a petrol station with your usual tester and start testing, because the potential for the tester to generate a spark, so you can't. So that was a very, very interesting one. Also, another thing I learned today from GSH Electrical, good old Gary, is the tools you use to strip MICC or Pyro cable actually look like medieval torture devices. What else have I learned or heard about? Yeah, we're going to go on about social media again, but this time the people who share stuff. I think I mentioned this in a mental health one. It seems recently on Twitter, more and more people, or more electricians I know, are leaving the platform because it is so toxic environment. You'll find that with any platform, because I came off Facebook mainly because of it. The unfortunate thing is the majority of people out there think they have to react to everything. They think they have to share everything, including the downright nasty and negative stuff. Because you just got to realise that not everyone's got a filter. Not everyone can be aware of what's going on around them without reacting to it. I know it's a very difficult thing to do, but it does make a lot of people very, very uncomfortable, including me. So what I tend to do now, especially now I'm on Twitter, I mute people now, because the majority of the time they post sensible stuff, but I think the lockdown has just brought out I wouldn't say the crazy side in people, but the nasty side in people. Because what you tend to find with the lockdown, well, especially with me, is I can't go to the usual places to escape all the negativity that's going on. So, as I say, be mindful. Don't always react to everything. You can be, you can be aware of stuff. Don't think when a celebrity comes on Twitter or Facebook, says, "Oh, if you don't react, you are part of the problem." No, you can be outraged and be silent about it. In fact, in many situations, being silent can be quite powerful, because normally if you're chatty as anything, bubbly as anything, and then you go silent, either it means you're upset by something, or you disagree with something. As I say, silence can be very, very powerful. So as I say, just sign this off from saying not everything in the world needs you to react to it. Just don't share it. If you think it's going to depress other people, don't share it. So, hopefully you found this video useful, and if you're watching this on Igtv, don't forget to watch the other videos in the series. And if you're watching this on YouTube, I'll pop a link in the description below to the things I've been discussing today, with learning about Compex and learning about medieval torture devices. So, thanks for watching. As I say, if you're watching this on YouTube, don't forget to comment, like and subscribe and smash that bell icon and select all to be notified every time I upload a video. And if you're watching this on Igtv, like it and pop a comment below and follow me, and I'll see you all next Sunday. Ta-ta for now.